like my best friend, keep gunning him. I'm saving all my money and running out, I need 100 bands. It's a lot of money inside this world, can't change up on my mans. Ain't switching on the bro, stick to the code, that's who I am. Went from whipping the land truck, both hands. High as a bitch when they see me, I don't live. That bitch mad as the fuck, shit, you woke me up, I was rolling up dope in the dope slam. Got so many guns inside the house, I'm ready to shoot it out. My doggy died, right to that fire, I'm ready to put one down. Yeah, we forever rolling, swear fast like a roller coaster. Treat my gun just like my best friend, it ain't leaving me. Homicides like flash floods, I raise up just on the beat. In my rockets, I keep me a blade. This you don't care what it is. I fell asleep inside a track car G with gun in hand.
The one in Hammond. So we finna hit that motherfucking tire spot.
You in there making friends? You in there making friends? You in there making friends?
We finna hit the tire spot. Niggas finna put these brand new bitches on. Let's see what the fuck we got going on. Hold on, where the Charlie at? Wait, there's traffic. Wait, we gotta get past this shit. I don't think you got it. 60.
Hey, bro! On three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go, go,
We hit that bitch on fire now! Bro, that's better, bro. That was a lot better. Bro, his shit's crazy. Bro, his shit's loud as fuck.
Bro, this shit crazy loud.
Bro, that shit made my motherfucking ears ring. You do it.
How about 3, bro? 1, 2, 3.
I don't think he was ready.
Nah. Pretty sure he wants to go like 60 because he wants to do like a 60 roll.
Yeah. He's putting his shit in manual mode. I'm just jamming my shit, I'm not gonna lie.
Bro?
Yeah. It's your countdown, nigga.
Yeah, I know, but he said go 70, he said. I don't have a countdown none. 60? Alright, you can go 60.
Alright, bet.
He said 1. Oh, he's like trying to test this shit out. 1, 2, 3. Good. Looking at you. Bro, we almost died.
It's that mopar shit, bro. You can't do no turns. And I'm on ball tires, bro. We going to jail or we dying before we make it, nigga. Oh shit, what the fuck is this?
Holy fuck.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a CL11 Elite. No way. It's a 1 LE. It's a 1 LE. Oh my God. 60! 60! No! Come on! Please! Bro, this nigga talking about no. That's hey, oh bro, that shit is beautiful as hell. Get some B-roll of that bitch. Bro, that shit is beautiful in that motherfucker, bro.
This motherfucker won't fly out, right?
What? Hell no, it's plugged into my shit.
Man.
He got behind me, bro.
Feel the noise, nigga?
Bro, come on, wallahi.
This shit clean as hell, though. I'm not even gonna lie.
It is clean as fuck.
We spank ass, don't throw up a V. Soon as we spin that block, just aim your Glock. Toe bud, shoot the first one you see. I know a nigga a kid up a strike right now. All he need is a pad and key. Can't catch a op out west on the tray of fast, so we finna spin out east. Tired of killing in ones and twos, finna start killing these bitch niggas in threes. Mama say streets and make a monster. Told mama streets made me a beast. I know a op finna get out of jail. We waiting outside when that nigga release. I know a op got shot and sent to the doc. Bullets high, he was yelling please. I know the nigga was hit, saw his body get stiff, and I heard the nigga wheeze. We the type niggas to kill the ops and call they friends trolling tease. Long as I got my Glock and ski, fuck GPD, kill a nigga on the ground. Niggas can't survive these shots, these big boys.
I don't think that nigga was ready. You honk. I'm down the Toretto, nigga! I'm down the Toretto, nigga! Ah! Bro, niggas is singing this shit, bro. That 717.
He does it by a lot, too. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know when he lets off.
And if you keep on going, bro, you gone.
Oh, bro, if we get over 130, I'm leaving him. Allegedly. On my Scotty shit. Scotty always be like, allegedly. You said what? Yeah, oh shit. I don't know. Nigga, my ears be ringing, bro.
Oh, bro, nigga.
This should be making my ears ring.
That shit feels. Taylor? Texas, bitch? I forgot about this, that bitch. What is Super Smash with her? Was low-key chill as hell.
Your dad gave her like a fucking bag to take you.
Yeah, bro. What is Super Smash with two bad bitches? Or a bad bitch and her sister?
And then fucking Gracie got fucked in the porta potty.
Oh, bro, allegedly. I asked her about this, and I remember she's like, fuck no. That's her and fucking her homie, her friend. I got that bitch's name, Alyssa.
Yeah, what if I hit another one right here?
Should I get like a good ass roll?
Yeah.
7, go 7.
Okay, 70, 70, 70. is crazy. I feel like 70 is too high, but his shit, his boots kicked right in.
Yeah, not him.
It's gonna be Facebook. It's gonna be well, I know that footage is good as hell. His shit's loud as fuck. Bro, his shit be digging in my ear. Fucking.
Bro, this shit's a good ass sound. They're going stupid fast.
It's that exit. I couldn't even think.
Oh yeah. Perrito sin mero, no quiero ver. Oh shit!
We got this bitch going. Bro, that shit was crazy. You got that bitch. You got that bitch. Damn, bro, that's the first time I seen that nigga swing, for real, for real. Bro, he used to be in a G8, fucking shit up at the Gary Legal pit. But God damn, bro, he had that bitch.